Greetings to all our lovely viewers. SMC here of Class 9A1.
Alvina Joseph, Class 9A3. We are back with a bang. Now we take immense pleasure in presenting you Walk the Talk.
We have with us Sufia of Grade 10, reporting from the ground.
Over to you, Sufia.
Here I have with me.
Charutanya Singh from batch 2023 and 24.
Congratulations for receiving the merit certificate from board.
Thank you so much.
How do you feel about it?
Well, I'm actually very happy, and I would firstly like to thank CISCE for providing us this merit certificate and recognizing our hard work. It's really a great honor. I also would like to thank my parents for they have provided me a support throughout this whole thing, and I would also like to thank the school for helping us through our journey.
Yes. So, are you thinking of pursuing the same subject in your future?
Yes, I would like to pursue the same subjects in future since it's commercial studies.
And what was your parents' reaction?
Well, my parents were really delighted and happy.
Yes. And what about your college? How did they think about it?
Yeah, well, my college was really proud too.
Yes. And do you have any tips for the juniors?
Well, all I would like to say is love all subjects. When you love a subject, you can do really well in them.
And how did you manage to score a centum?
Like I said, love your subject and you can automatically score a centum. Just have a consistency while you study.
Thank you for joining us today in this lovely green surrounding. It was lovely having you for the Walk the Talk.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Thanks, Charu, for your wonderful tip on how to be a skilled topper.
Hello. Here I have with me.
Farhana is here from batch 2023 to 2024.
You have received the merit certificate for scoring a centum from boards. How do you feel about it?
I feel really glad about it. So I would like to thank all my teachers, the management and our dear principal for teaching us and helping us for all this to achieve our goal.
And you are the top 0.1% who managed to score a centum in your subject.
Yes, I'm really happy about it. I'm very glad that I'm the topmost 0.1% of the people who got these certificates, merit certificates.
And what was your parents' reaction?
They were overjoyed. They were they couldn't express the joy there. They were so happy. Oh, you're the your first batch to get these type of certificates.
And what about your college? How did they feel about it?
They were also really happy about it. When they got to know that I got centum in history, civics, geography and Hindi, they were very happy about it and overjoyed to know.
And tell me, how did you manage to score a centum?
It's for history, civics. I would like to tell that first listen to the teacher's explanation, and secondly you have to be thorough with your textbook. You have to read all the points properly. For each and every answer, you have to at least remember 6 points for 4 marks question. And for Hindi, our Hindi teacher, when she explains the stories to us, she does it very well. So you just listen to her and go home, read the chapter once or twice and you're good to go with Hindi, and just learn a few grammar.
And do you have any tips for the juniors?
I don't really have that many tips. First of all, I did not know I would get such nice percentage in boards and get centum in the subjects I got. So the only tips I want to tell is just study every day consistently. So you won't have a break in between and you'll forget the previous topics you learned. So study every day, all subjects together, and you'll be fine for the boards. Lastly, I want to thank my parents for being so supportive with me and all my teachers who have helped me through this journey.
Thank you for joining us today in this lovely green surroundings. It was nice having you for the Walk of Talk.
Thanks, Farha, for stressing at being thorough with the textbook.
Hello.
Hi,
Here I have with me.
Fatima Zoha, batch 2023 to 2024.
So the board gave you certificates of merit. How do you feel about that?
It's very overwhelming that being among the top 0.1% to secure 99 in Hindi, I'm very happy.
And what was your parents' reaction?
They were very happy and overjoyed, and seeing the happiness on their face, it motivated me to pursue more in my future endeavors. And yes,
Do you think you will pursue the same subject in your future?
I'm just in first year of college and I have not yet decided, but let's see.
And how did your college feel about it?
I told my vice principal about it and she was very happy. She congratulated me and told me to keep up the spirit and just continue what you're doing.
And now tell me, how did you manage to score a center?
It was the constant support from my Hindi teacher. She constantly motivated me, gave me tips on how to write, what to attempt, what part to attempt first. She was my biggest support in like Hindi throughout the year, and even my high school principal. She was like constantly motivating us that you can do it.
And do you have any tips for the juniors?
Yeah, you have to prepare, and I suggest that you can read the textbook because textbook is like the Bible.
Yeah.
Just read the textbook, be thorough with each and every line, names and whatever is there in the chapter, you can aram se score.
Now tell me, how did you manage to score a center?
My biggest support, my Hindi teacher, she always kept motivating me throughout the year that you can do it, and she gave me tips on how to complete the paper on time and check it again. She was my biggest supporter. And last but not the least, my high school principal. She was a constant source of motivation. She kept telling us that you can do it every assembly, and she was always there for us.
And do you have any tips for the juniors?
Yeah, you can always be. You can refer workbooks, but be thorough with the textbook, each and every line, because they can ask from anywhere. And and read it. Keep reading the chapters again and again till you remember how the story was, the characters, what happened, and yeah, you can get it. You can do it.
Thank you for joining us today in this lovely green environment. It was nice to have you for the walk the talk.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining.
We shall all follow a wise tip given by Fatima Zoha. Thank you very much.
Hello, here I have with me,
Rakshita from batch 2023-24.
and you received the merit certificate from boards for scoring a center. How did you feel about that?
I feel very elated and happy that I received the certificate from the board for the first time.
And what was your parents' reaction?
They were very proud and of course happy.
And you are the top 0.1% from boards receiving the merit certificate for scoring a center in the subject. So how do you feel about that?
It's a really good moment and I feel delightful.
And what was your college reaction?
They were surprised that I got a certificate from the board.
Right. And now tell me, how did you manage to score a center?
Centum, I don't know, it was surprising, but yeah, I think I really worked hard for it with the support of the management, school, teachers and of course my parents.
And do you have any tips for the juniors?
Tips for the juniors? Not sure, but yeah, just be consistent and maintain a good schedule in studying. Yes.
Thank you for joining us in this lovely garden. It was nice having you for Walk the Talk.
Thank you.
I think Rakshita is right. We need to schedule our study pattern.
Hello, here I have with me.
Mohammad Zaid from batch 2023-2024.
And you have received the merit certificate from boards. How do you feel about that?
I'm actually very shocked and very happy because this is the first time the board is issuing the certificate, and I'm happy because I'm one of the people from 0.1% who have attended the board exam. So I'm really happy.
And how did your parents feel about it?
My parents were really very happy because they found that their child was from one of the 0.1% people who got the certificate in computer exam.
And what was your college reaction when you told them?
My classmates and my batchmates were very happy, and even they were a bit jealous because they weren't able to get that thing, and even my college teachers were very happy to have the children like me in their own college.
And so tell me, how did you manage to score a center?
Computers is nothing but we need to use our mind and a bit of logic, because everything in computers is based on maths and logic. So basically practicing maths and more amount of logical questions helps us in computers.
And do you have any tips for the juniors?
Yeah, my major tips for the juniors are let them practice more amount of programs and get the help from teachers for more programs, and even solve large amount of previous year's questions.
Thank you for joining us today in this lovely green surrounding. It was nice having you for Walk the Talk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The bestest tip is solving the previous year's question papers, which is a game changer. Thank you, Zaid, for sharing it.
Hello.
Hi,
Here I have with me.
I'm Shanam from 23 to 24 batch.
Yes, and congratulations for receiving a merit certificate.
Thank
for
you so much.
Scoring a centum. Yes.
Thank you.
This is the first time the board has given such certificates. So how do you
Yes.
feel about that?
I am very grateful towards the board, the CISE Council for organizing this thing for us, and I'm very grateful for that.
And what was your parents' reaction?
My parents were overwhelmed actually. They were very happy. They didn't expect me to get so much actually.
Yeah, and you are the top 0.1% who received a merit certificate for
Yes.
scoring a centum in your subject.
I
How do you
was-
feel?
I was very happy about that, and I didn't expect to get so much honestly.
Yeah. And what was your college reaction?
My college, my friends were overwhelmed with me knowing that I got so much, and teachers also, they congratulated me and they were happy that I get to attend their college.
Yes. And how did you manage to get a centum?
Centum, nothing, you just have to study little by little. It doesn't take that much effort. Every exam little you study also you'll get. Not a problem.
And do you have any tips for the juniors?
Nothing, don't stress too much. They'll take quite a lot of exams, so if you study even a little, you'll manage. That's all.
And thank you for joining us today.
A beautiful advice we all should follow, given by Shanam, is stress less, believe more, and success will follow.
Here I have with me.
Purvika from 23-24.
Yes. First of all, congratulations for receiving a merit certificate from board for the first time. How do you feel about it?
I mean, I'm very excited, and also I'm lucky to have a merit certificate from the board that many people don't get. So it's pleasure.
And you're part of the 0.1% who received a merit certificate for scoring centum. How do you feel about that?
I mean, it's unbelievable, first of all, because I didn't expect it, and yeah, I would say I'm a little proud of myself.
Yeah. And what was your parents' reaction?
My parents didn't expect me to get a centum, so yeah, they were quite happy, and then my dad also, yeah, he was fine with it.
And how did you manage to score a centum?
I would say consistency is the key, because I mean, it's not one day's hard work which got me a centum. So I'll just say that yeah, I practiced for a long time.
And lastly, do you have any tips for the juniors?
I'd say they should go with the flow, because the school themselves will make them practice and they will make sure they get a good mark. So I'll just say follow whatever the school says, and yeah.
Thank you for joining us today in this lovely garden. It was really nice to have a walk the talk with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
The biggest and the most serious tip, which we all tend to neglect, is taking our mock test seriously. I hope our friends will follow Purvika's tip properly.
Hello, here we have today.
I am Mohammad Rihan of batch 2023 to 24.
And congratulations for receiving a merit certificate from
Thank you.
board. This is the first time board has given out such certificates. How do you feel about that?
I first of all thank the CISE board for recognizing my hard work and my marks for the 10th ICSE examination, and secondly I thank my teachers and staff members of Florence Public School. They have given me opportunity and they have given me a well environment to study.
And you're one of the top 0.1% who scored a centum in your subject. How do you feel about that?
I am very happy to score a centum in computer applications and come in the top 0.1% in the whole India.
And what was your parents' reaction?
My parents felt very proud of me as they had done very hard work to give me studies in school like Florence Public School from the childhood.
Right. And what was your college's reaction?
Colleges also felt very proud of me that they have a student like me in their college who studies like this.
And so now tell me, how did you score a centum?
I did not take more stress about studies. I only focused on understanding the concept rather than by hearting the concept.
And do you have any tips for the juniors?
Tips. They have to keep revising the concepts now and then, and they have to concentrate in the class first, because the staff of Florence Public School is very nice in teaching, and just they have to work hard to get a centum or a high marks in subjects.
Thank you for joining us today in this lovely garden. It was nice having you for Walk the Talk. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Rehan, for your excellent tip of understanding the concept more than by hearting it.
Siha, let's wind up and wish good luck for our seniors to perform well in their future.
Alvina, let's promise ourselves that we shall also be there in Walk the Talk next year.
Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook.
The links are given below in the description.
SM Siha
Alvina Jose
signing off.